Hey, what's up guys, we are back again with the hot new leaks for the upcoming Galaxy S22 series, which US pricing alongside with the unpacked timing has been confirmed. So guys, just in case you felt like there was too little information known about the fast approaching Galaxy S22 series, well, you are wrong. Samsung next crown jewel is making headline again with a couple of hot new leaks. So guys, we have already know about the official confirmation that Samsung is holding an unpacked event in February, where it is expected to announce the Galaxy S22 series smartphone alongside with the Galaxy Tab S8 series tablet and some of Galaxy Buds. But the exact date of that particular event haven't been confirmed yet. But today a leakster on Twitter even brings some solid evidence that Samsung is going to be launching their next Galaxy S22 series on February 9, as he has shared what appears to be an official event poster. The poster has a larger S slider beneath which we see an Epic standard tagline. Not much else can be derived from the image, but at least we have a clear indication of what to expect for the next Galaxy S22 and the Tab S8 series. We also got some leak render images for the upcoming Galaxy Tab S8. Alongside with that, we are also going to see an SPen support which can be attached with a magnet towards the sides and top of the upcoming Tab S8 series. Anyhow, moving forward, we also got some render images for the S22 and S22 Plus, which has been leaked in different color options. Now moving forward, we have also got the US pricing for the upcoming Galaxy S22 series, which pretty much confirms about the leaks and rumors that this time the Galaxy S22 series will be $100 expensive as compared to the Galaxy S21. So it turns out that the leaks are going to be true because we have got some solid information coming from the event blogs, which confirms that the upcoming Galaxy S22 series will be going to be $100 expensive. There is another big source that is going to be confirming the pricing of the upcoming Galaxy S22 series is the Google Opinion Rewards, in which we see there is a survey which indicates the official pricing of the upcoming Galaxy S22 series. According to that leak source, we are going to see the S22 will be coming with $899, S22 Plus will be coming with $1,100, and the base model for the S22 Ultra, which is going to be 8GB and 128GB of storage, to be around $1,300, which is going to be even expensive than the last year 12GB to 256GB of S21 Ultra. Do give a note, if we compare the pricing of the US with the European pricing, then there is going to be a difference, because the European pricing for the S22 and S22 Plus will remains the same, whereas the S22 Ultra 256GB model variant pricing has been different. And you guys, nothing is finalized yet because there is still some time, and we may see an improvement and we may see some changes in the pricing detail of the upcoming Galaxy S22 series. So guys, that is it in this particular video. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. What are your opinion on that? Be sure to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. Peace.